Now friends, now let us come to how to install this app on various devices. To install on Android devices, you have to download Prerna eBooks app from the Play Store. This is the icon of the Prerna eBooks on the Play Store. Once you find this icon, just download that app and you have this home page will open where you will be asked to enter your mobile number. Enter your mobile number and click on this icon. You will get the OTP on your mobile number. So enter your OTP over here and click here. Then this you have to sign up, give your email ID, name, and select the designation. What is your designation? Agent, Development Officer, SBA, or others, or CLIA, whatever is your designation. You select your designation and click on sign up, and the app gets installed on your device with free books and subscription books. Now how to do installation on iPhone? To install on iPhone, you have to open the PrernaEbooks.com in Safari browser. You have to open Safari browser on your iPhone and open this web page PrernaEbooks.com. Once you open this, you will get again this icon on your iPhone, and down below there is one icon with up arrow. Click on this up arrow icon on your mobile. You will get this page. This option is there, add to home screen. You click on this add to home screen option. Once you click on this add to home screen option, the icon will be created on your iPhone. So rest of the procedure is same as per Android devices. You have to enter your mobile phone, you have to enter the OTP, fill up the registration form, and your app gets installed on the iPhone. Now let us see how to install the phone on Windows PCs and laptops. For installation on Windows PCs and laptops, you have to open PrernaEbooks.com in your Chrome browser. This PrernaEbooks.com, you type it in the browser. And this Prerna eBooks opens. So then you have to go to this three dotted lines, three dots on the right hand side of your browser. Click on three dots and you get option install Prerna. Click on that. If in some browsers, some Chrome browsers, latest one, you will not get this install Prerna option. You click on more tools and click on create shortcut and click here create. You will see icon will come, the icon will be created on your home page. The here icon comes, this Prerna eBooks icon is there. So once the icon has been created, so next time when you open, you directly go to this icon and open the book from here. Now to do registration on your, you have to follow the same procedure. You have to enter your mobile number. If you have got already Prerna ebook installed on your mobile number, here you have to enter the same mobile number to access from this device. Remember that you have to use your same mobile number on both the devices. On mobile and PC, you have to use the same mobile number. When you click on this mobile, this again the OTP will come on your mobile. Enter your OTP. So this is how you can view these books on your laptop. You can read now. Open this document. Now this document is open on your PC. If you want to share this document, you click on this share button and the document gets downloaded on your PC. So once the document is downloaded, you open this document and share it or open it. Go to downloads, you can go to downloads over here. This non-medical chart is here, just open it here. So this document's open over here. You can print, share whatever you want from the PDF file. Friends, this is how this app works. Now I come to how to subscribe to view the books under the subscription section. It is very simple. There is icon at the top of the subscription. There is icon subscribe now. Click on that subscribe now icon. You will get option to pay annual subscription of rupees 199 for 12 months. Annual subscription rate is rupees 199 only for 1 year to access all the 5 books under subscription section, and that is for 2 devices. For 2 devices, annual subscription is 199. That comes to rupees 99.50. That less than 100 rupees to view on 1 device. Click on Pay Now button. You will go to the payment site, the payment portal of Razor PayUmoney. You have to select to pay rupees 19. Select your payment option. You want to pay through wallet, you want to pay through the cards, you can choose which cards you want to pay, or internet banking, or any other way you want to pay. Just click on the Pay Now button and complete your transaction. Once your transaction is complete, you will go to Payment Successful. Click on this Home button and you will be taken back to the home page of app. There you will view, so you will see that your subscription valid date will come. That is 1 year from the date of payment, so that you will come to know when your subscription will going to end and you can renew it subsequently. So friends, subscribe now to get access to your subscription books.